How to sign in to Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to start playing the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your phone or tablet, then first of all, download and install the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device and launch it open. Wait for the main screen to load, and once it does, go ahead and tap on sign in at the bottom right. Now enter a valid email address of yours that is associated with the account and tap the green button on the right. You'll then need to enter your password for your account. Go ahead and write it down and click OK. Once you do that, click on the OK button to accept the terms and condition, and there you have successfully logged into your Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. The game will load your saved progress, and you have successfully signed in and ready to race, drift, and smash through awesome tracks in Beach Buggy Racing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.